Hello guys, welcome to our lesson. So today we're going to study about trend line. So we have 9 points. Okay, so let's start. What is a candlestick? So candlestick, okay. Check, go to your Binance.com, yeah, and click on trade here, classic. So we do trade on basic. Okay, so this is the candlestick. So you see the blue. This is candlestick. This is also candlestick. 111 is candlestick. Yeah. So all of these we call it candlestick. Candlestick have two color, red and blue. Oh, red and green. I'm sorry, red and green. Yes, this is the candlestick. Okay, and then time frame. What is time frame? Time frame you can come up here. We have here time frame. We have 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and you have a lot of here. Click here, yeah. Click on here. We have 30 minutes more. We have 3 days, 6 hour, 12 hour, 2 hour. Okay, so this is the candlestick for time frame 15 minutes. How about a candlestick for 1 hour? Click on here. So this is the candlestick 1 hour. Yeah, this it start from here shadow here to the top. It's not finished yet, but look at the finish. Here, okay, simple here. Here, that's 1 hour. This candlestick lasts 1 hour. And also here, to sum up, one candlestick is last 1 hour. But if you click on 4 hour, so one candlestick lasts 4 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, that's all. And then uptrend. What is uptrend? So I recommend you to use a trading view, so you can sign in this trading view. Okay, you can sign in here. So I already signed. Yeah, it's for free. It for free. You can use forever. Okay, so uptrend. What is uptrend? Okay, so uptrend. Okay, this is a time frame 15 minutes. So the uptrend, this is the uptrend. You see, it's up. The candlestick is going up. See, this is the uptrend. Uptrend. It's going up. Yeah. Okay, so this is uptrend. Yeah. Candlestick is going up. You look at this line and this line. Later I will show you, will tell you what is this. What is this? Okay, so this is we call uptrend. See, it's going up, and uptrend like this. Yeah, like this uptrend. Yeah, that's called uptrend. Okay, and then what is downtrend? Downtrend also example downtrend like this. Downtrend. Yeah, downtrend. Or downtrend here like this, yeah, that's downtrend. So look at our example in trading view. So see here, if I click it 1 hour, it's the same. You see downtrend here, downtrend because it's going down. Yeah, it's going down here. it's going down, downtrend. It's going down, that's called downtrend. And another one is sideway. What is sideway? Sideway like this one. Sideway, okay, example, it come up like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's sideway. So that's sideway. This is checkpoint. Checkpoint. Come up again. That can be resistance. Come up down. This is support. Because it checkpoint, then the second one is support. Support line. And again, later I will tell you this is sideway. Come up here. Like yeah, like this. That's called sideway. Okay. Look at in our example. See here, this is sideway, yeah. Couple like this here. This one. Right click on it. Clone, meaning with this. See, this is sideway. Yeah, sideway. We call it sideway, yeah. Okay. And delete it. That's simple. And another one is support. What is support? Okay, I will tell you both. What is support? What is resistance? Okay, what is support? Resistance. Suppose I draw another. Okay. Example, the graph come like this. Okay. Okay. So here, come up here. This is we call checkpoint. And come up here, it checkpoint. But when I come down again, this is called support. S. And come up here, called resistance. Support again, resistance again. But when it come up like this, this, and down like this, this will be resistance. This will be support. It changed because the graph changed. Because this checkpoint, this is become support, and this will become I'm sorry, this become resistance. This line will become support because here, yeah. Look in our example. Okay, so here you see here, this is support, come up here, resistance. It's not come up here, it's checkpoint, come down again, this is a support, come up here, this is checkpoint, this is resistance, yeah, come here, support, resistance again, and then it break here. Okay, that's we call resistance and support. Which one? Okay, again. Okay, this is checkpoint. This is also checkpoint, and this is become support, and this is become resistant because this is checkpoint. This become resistant, support, resistant, support. It is kind of support resistant in uptrend. Yeah, it's uptrend. Yeah. Another one is twin line. What is twin line? Twin line, it's a okay. So twin line meaning it is the same, like this. Symmetry, it's the same. See? Okay, like this. Okay, resistance. So checkpoint. This is checkpoint. This is support. Resistance, support. So this line have twin line because it is the same line. This is twin line in sideway. So another one is this is okay. This is twin line in uptrend. Okay, this is twin line in downtrend. This okay, so this line we call it twin line in downtrend. Yeah, look at another example. I'm sorry. So this is the line. It's uptrend, but there is another line here. It's a twin line. So this is because it touch here, yeah, touch here. That's resistance. I'm sorry. So this is a twin line in downtrend. Yeah. Okay. This is also twin line up. Yeah. Okay. This is twin line. See here. That's twin line. And the last one, real or not the last one, real breakout. So real breakout. Okay. This is. I'll show you. Real breakout. Let me find you. See here. So the trend is going, the graph is going down, but it's break here. Why? If not, it come like this. But here it's break. Why we see it real break? Because the candlestick is, we have body, we have head is body, and the shadow is little here, like this one. Okay. This is shadow. This is shadow. We have head and body. Yeah. Like this one. Shadow. This is shadow. This is head. This is body. Body, head. Oh, head, body. Yeah. I'm sorry. Like this, you see. We have little shadow here, little shadow, and little shadow here. That's we call break because it break from downtrend. Break from downtrend. Break up. Look at another example. Also here, yeah, it's break because it's real candlestick. We have shadow here, shadow. Let me see. Wait. Okay, it's uptrend. See here. This is shadow. This is body and head. So it's real candlestick. That's why it break the uptrend. And the last one, what is fake breakout? Fake breakout. Let me show you the example. Fake breakout. Fake breakout. Let me find you another one. Call it SLP US thesis. So we pair like this. ULP pair USDT. Thesis. Yeah, thesis is USDT. Okay. Where is fake breakout? Fake breakout. I don't see fake breakout now. It just break on the shadow. So this is real breakout here, because we have body, we have head here. This breakout from downtrend. Breakout from downtrend. This is also breakout from downtrend here. A real shadow or real candlestick. This is also breakout. It just break only the shadow. Yeah. It doesn't have. Real fake breakout. Fake breakout. APE. B. SW. Pair. This one. This candlestick just. Okay. This is 30-minute, yeah. So this is the uptrend. This is the downtrend. So if you want to break from this line, this is sideway. You want to break, but you see here the candlestick. It's just the shadow, not the body. So that's fake breakout. See here, shadow. It's shadow, not the body. Just little. That's why it's not break out from this sideway. So it's down. It not come up. It's down. Yeah, that's called fake breakout. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoy this. Please follow me to continue to the next lesson. Bye bye.